In this video, I'm going to talk about Motorola Moto G devices which Motorola launched yesterday. So let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. I am making very good quality tech videos on this channel like unboxing, reviews and lot more. So if you want to see those videos in very high quality, please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification icon. So with that said, let's begin. So guys, first of all, let's talk about the Moto G6 Plus. So guys, the Moto G6 Plus will be the higher variant of the Moto G6 lineup. They have launched 3 devices: Moto G6 Play, Moto G6 and Moto G6 Plus. So the Moto G6 Plus is the higher variant, Moto G6 is the medium variant, and the Moto G6 Play will be the lower variant. So first of all, let's talk about the Moto G6 Plus. So Moto G6 Plus will have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 chip, which is not very old nor very new. It's kind of 1 year old chip. I was expecting that it will be launched with the Snapdragon 636, but they launched it with the Snapdragon 630. It's kind of sad in my opinion. And the GPU will be the Adreno 508, which is very good GPU by the way. So now let's talk about the design, guys. They have changed the design quite a lot as compared to previous year. They have come with this design. This is the Moto X4 design. As you see here, it's kind of glass sandwich design. So guys, talking about the cameras, on the rear it will have 2 cameras, one of which is 12 megapixel with the aperture of f1.7 and the second camera will be 5 megapixel with the aperture of f2.2. And moving to the front, it will have 8 megapixel camera with the aperture of f2.2. Yes. So yeah, that's about it about the cameras. Moving to the battery, it will have 3200 mAh battery with USB Type-C port as well as quick charging. Moving to the display, guys, Moto G6 Plus will have the 5.9 inches of 1080p display with the 18:9 aspect ratio, which is very good, I would say that. So yeah, that's all about the Moto G6 Plus. And the pricing of the Moto G6 Plus will be, they reveal the price in euros. So the pricing of the Moto G6 Plus is 229 euros. Basically it will convert in 24,500 rupees for the device which has a Snapdragon 630. It's very high. So let's see what will be the price if they come in India. So yeah, that's about the Moto G6 Plus. And by the way guys, it will have 2 variants. One variant will have 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. The second variant will have 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. So yeah, that's about it. That's all about the Moto G6 Plus. Let's talk about the Moto G6, which is a middle variant. Moto G6 Plus will be powered by a Snapdragon 450 chip, which is like 625's smaller brother, I would say that, younger brother. So it's kind of have similar kind of power as the Snapdragon 625 had, and it will have the Adreno 506 GPU which Snapdragon 625 had. So the performance of this smartphone will be very good, I would say that, because if you have used the Redmi Note 4 which had the Snapdragon 625, which is kind of similar, the processor is kind of similar. So yeah, that's about it. And moving to the display, it will have 5.7 inch of 1080p display with the 18:9 aspect ratio, so basically wider display. Moving to the cameras, guys, even this phone will have 2 cameras on the rear, one of which will be 12 megapixel with the aperture of f1.8 instead of f1.7 which was on Moto G6 Plus, and the second camera will be same 5 megapixel with the aperture of f2.2. and moving to the front, it will have same 8 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of 2.2, and it will have the 3000 mAh battery with Type-C support and fast charging, so no problem there. And in terms of design, it will also have same type of design as the Moto G6 Plus had, the same glass sandwich design with the front mounted fingerprint scanner and the same wider display as I have already told you. Now moving to the storage, RAM and prices. So Moto G6 also has a 2 variant. 3GB RAM with 32GB version is the lower variant. Moving to the higher variant, which will have 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, and the price start from $249 or I can say 16,500 Indian rupees, which is way higher, guys. Like literally it's very expensive, I would say. So yeah, that's about the Moto G6. Let's talk about the Moto G6 Play. So guys, the Moto G6 Play will be the lower variant of their segment. So it will be powered by Snapdragon 427 or 430, some region differences, I don't know about that very clearly. So it will have either Snapdragon 427 or Snapdragon 430. Moving to the cameras guys, it will have only one camera on the rear, which will be 13 megapixel with the aperture of f2.0. And moving to the front camera, it will have either 5 megapixel or 8 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of, I don't know the aperture because the aperture isn't mentioned anywhere. So it will have the 4000 mAh battery, which is the highest among all the Moto G6 devices, which is very good. It doesn't have any kind of USB type C or any kind of fast charging support, which is sad in my opinion. And in terms of designing, I would say it will have old Motorola design, like removable back and all the plastic design, which is not very good, I would say that. So yeah, in terms of variant, it will also have two variants, one of which is 2GB with 16GB internal storage. The second variant will be 3GB RAM with the 32GB internal storage. And the pricing will around $199, or I would say 13,000 Indian rupees, which is way high, like literally it's very high. And yeah, also every phone they launch with the Oreo, which is very good thing. So yeah guys, these are all the smartphone which Motorola launches yesterday. So that's all in this video guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you literally like this video or my content, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.